Today, we are solving WASSCE July 2008 question 4. This question has two parts. The first part is about angle of elevation, and the second part is a trigonometric equation. Part A says, the angle of elevation of the top of a flagpole is 42 degrees from a point, P, which is 180 meters from the foot, B, of the flagpole. Point Q is on the same horizontal line, BP, such that BQ equals 45 meters. We are asked to calculate, correct to one decimal place, the angle of elevation of the flagpole from Q. Part B says, solve the equation tan of square x over 3 minus 1 equals 0, where x lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Study the diagram carefully. This prepares us for the next step. The solution has two steps. First, we use triangle PTB to find the height of the flagpole. Then we use triangle QTB to find the angle of elevation from Q. From triangle PTB, the angle at P is 42 degrees. The opposite side is the height H, and the adjacent side is PB equals 180 meters. Make H the subject by multiplying both sides by 180. So the height of the flagpole is approximately 162.07 meters. Now from triangle QTB, the angle at Q is x to the power of. The opposite side is still the height H, and the adjacent side is QB equals 45 meters. Substitute H equals 162.07. This gives tan of x equals 162.07 over 45 equals 3.6016. X equals tan up to the power of minus 1, 3.6016. X equals 74.5 degrees. Therefore, the angle of elevation of the flagpole from Q is 74.5 degrees. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Part B. Tan of square x over 3 metasetercinus 1 equals 0. Now we solve part B. The equation is tan of square x over 3 minus 1 equals 0, where x lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Tan of square x over 3 metasetercinus 1 equals 0. Tan of square x over 3 equals 1. Tan of square x over 3 equals 1. Tan of square x equals 3. Tan of square x equals 3. Tan of x equals the square root of 3. X equals tan of to the power of minus 1, the square root of 3. X equals 60 degrees. Therefore, the solution to the equation is x equals 60 degrees. Part is 74.5 degrees. Part B 60 degrees. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step mathematics lessons.